Hi, everybody. You're probably wondering what I'm doing. I wasn't really feeling the best. I've been kind of under a lot of stress and just feeling a little a little run down. Allergies are pretty bad this year, just with the temperature changes, and there's been a lot of people that have been sick. And anyway, I was just feeling run down overall. For you that are joining, probably wondering what I'm doing, I decided to come to my clinic and give myself a Myers cocktail with NAD. You're probably wondering, what is NAD? NAD is a very strong coenzyme that's found in every cell in our body. And what it does is it's responsible for energy metabolism. It helps to lower inflammation, and it boosts our immune system. Now it's starting to hit me. I feel you kind of feel like a little tingling in your body, feel a little warmth. I typically feel it in my head and in my sinuses. You just got to breathe through it. But after I get these NAD infusions, I usually do one every other week. I start to feel more energy. I sleep better. I function better. Brain fog is gone. So, and my workouts are better too, especially with like muscle recovery. Takes about an hour. I will say it was kind of hard doing an IV on myself. It looked like someone killed themselves because I had a hard time attaching the IV to the tubing. But anyway, I feel good. So it takes about, like I said, 45 minutes to an hour to do. Anyway, it's just a little bag. I'm just doing it in 250 cc's of normal saline. Hi everybody. Those who have joined, I'm just doing an NAD infusion on myself. It's good stuff. It's magic. Alexa, volume 2. Anyway, let's see who's joined here. I gotta just make sure I keep my arm straight. For you that may not know me that well, I had cancer twice, so I can't do IVs in my left arm because when I went through chemotherapy, I decided I didn't want a port and I just wanted to do it, through a peripheral IV, which some people do, especially if you only have 4 sessions, and it kind of ruined my veins on my left side, so I did my IV on my right arm. I'm definitely feeling that NAD right now. And I got that vitamin taste in my mouth, which is gross. Not that I know what cat food tastes like, but it tastes like what I think cat food would taste like. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. This is the IV I did. It's a little Myers cocktail. There's a lot of good things with Myers cocktail. I put, like I said, the NAD, B complex, which is all your B vitamins. I did high dose vitamin C, which is good to boost your immune system. And for any of you who are going through chemo or have cancer, it's a very strong antioxidant. It's really good for your immune system. Glutathione, which is good for the gut. Zinc, That's also good for your immune system and good for your skin. So if you're breaking out, zinc is excellent. That's a little trick that I kind of tell people if they have acne-prone skin, do a zinc supplement. It helps. The only thing I didn't put in there was vitamin D. I'll do a shot of that later. Vitamin D injections are something that you do. I would do it really like once a month because it'll get your levels pretty high. And if your vitamin D level is too high, you might start having joint pains because it can actually break down your bones if it's too high. So your body uses what it needs. So you gotta be careful. You can actually overdo it on the vitamins. It can be hard on your liver if you take too many. I was going to take a nap, but I'm not tired anymore. I'm actually already starting to feel better with this infusion. It's good stuff. If you guys want to schedule, go online at tomewellnessaz.com. Usually an infusion takes about an hour. In and out. That's if you have good veins. I'm just going to make myself comfortable here in my chair. I love this bed. So this is my little suite. It's not very big. But we are actually opening up a clinic. Oh, I need to put the head up a little bit. We're opening up a clinic next month in Scottsdale. So that'll be nice. All right, my loves, I want to go. And thanks for joining. I hope you have a great Saturday. Enjoy this beautiful weather. It's important to be outside. So, did you know that we spend 92% of our life indoors? Think about that. It's crazy. So make sure you're going outside, enjoying this beautiful weather. All right. You guys have a great day. Bye.